How to make shorts on Vidyo AI. The screen you see here clearly tells you that you can convert a long video into several short videos and use them in different social networks. Now I want to say how. First of all, you need an account. To create an account, click on the link I put in the description to get free credit and then start. After creating an account, you will enter this section. Now here, you either have a video file that you want to convert into short videos, or you have a video link on YouTube. If you have a file, click on the blue option, and if you have a link, click on this to enter your link. Now enter your desired URL here. I had already copied it. It is one of the videos of my channel. Then click on this option. Well, this part is for further personalization of your videos. Here you can enter the name of different social networks so that your channel ID will be displayed on the video you make for that platform. As you can see on this photo, a channel name is written. You can enter the page or channel name of each platform in these boxes. Well, the step of uploading the file and requesting to generate short videos is finished. Now, we have to wait for this AI to generate the videos for us. It may take some time for this upload to be completed. Well, here you can see that my video is ready. Now click on it. Here you can see that Vidyo AI has prepared 7 short videos for us. Each video length is written on them. Click on any video. Its video will be displayed on the right side for you. Then, by clicking on the video, you can play it and watch it. Each of these videos has a different template, and you can change those templates if needed. To change the template of any video, select that video and then select this option on the right side. In this section, there are different templates that you can click on any of them to be applied to the video. You can easily change even what is generated for you and make more personalization. If you have a premium account, you can download all the videos at once from here. But if you don't have a premium account, you have to download one by one. Click on this option to download. In this section, you can now make more edits on the video if you like. On the left side, you have a suitable tool for editing this video. If you want, you can download the video without editing again from this download option. Now, let me show you some of these edits very quickly so as not to take up much of your time. For example, you can easily change the size of the video or change its place. You can change the font style and color of the word being read from this section, or also change the font type and its display. From this section, you have the possibility to add photos or special videos to your video. For example, different memes. You can upload the video and photo you want from this section. There are other different options that you should create your own account and work a little with this AI and experience it yourself. Finally, after editing, as I said before, download your video from this section with one click. Here, if you have a pro account, you can choose higher quality. Now go to the home page and click on the download option. Your video is ready here, and you just have to click on the download option to get it. The link is in the description. I upload many tutorials about AI tool in this channel. Please like the video. Thanks, guys.